What if the reason your skin feels tight, rough, and cracked isn't because you're not using enough products, but because you're using the wrong ones at the wrong time? Subscribe my channel as gift. Stop scrolling for a second. If your skin feels dry, no matter what you apply. If your hands look older than they should, if your face feels flaky, irritated, or even painful, you need to hear this. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sandra Lee, board-certified dermatologist, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly why your skin is cracking, what's really happening beneath the surface, and most importantly, what you can do tonight to start repairing it immediately. Because here's the truth. Dry, cracked skin isn't just a cosmetic issue. It's your skin barrier literally breaking down, and when that happens, your skin can't protect you the way it's supposed to. Let's start with what dry, cracked skin actually is. Your skin has a natural protective layer called the skin barrier. Think of it like a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, and lipids, fats, are the mortar holding everything together. When that barrier is intact, your skin holds onto moisture and keeps irritants out. But when it's damaged, water escapes and irritants get in. That's when you start to see flaking, redness, itching, and eventually cracking. Now here's where most people go wrong. When their skin gets dry, they start washing more, exfoliating more, and applying random moisturizers, hoping something works. But many of those actions actually make things worse. Over-cleansing strips your natural oils. Harsh soaps disrupt your skin's pH. And exfoliating damaged skin, that's like sanding down an already broken wall. So if your skin is cracked right now, the goal isn't to scrub it smooth. The goal is to rebuild that barrier, and that starts tonight. The first thing I want you to do is rethink how you cleanse your skin. If you're using a foaming cleanser that leaves your skin feeling squeaky clean, that's a red flag. That tight feeling isn't cleanliness, it's damage. Switch to a gentle, hydrating cleanser, something that cleans without stripping. When you wash your face or body tonight, use lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water dissolves your natural oils faster than anything else. Keep it short, under 10 minutes. Now here's the step most people miss, and it's the most important one. Within 3 minutes of stepping out of the shower, you need to apply your moisturizer. This is what we call the 3-minute rule. When your skin is still slightly damp, it's in the perfect state to lock in hydration. If you wait too long, that water evaporates, and your skin becomes even drier than before. But not all moisturizers are created equal. If your skin is cracked, you need 3 types of ingredients: humectants, emollients, and occlusives. Humectants pull water into your skin. Ingredients like glycerin and hyaluronic acid. Emollients smooth and soften the skin. Think ceramides and fatty acids. Occlusives seal everything in. This is where ingredients like petroleum jelly come in. And I know petroleum jelly gets a bad reputation. People think it's heavy, greasy, pore clogging, but medically speaking, it's one of the most effective ingredients we have for repairing the skin barrier. In fact, studies have shown that it can reduce water loss from the skin by up to 98%. So tonight, after you apply a hydrating moisturizer, I want you to take a small amount of an occlusive like petroleum jelly and apply it over the driest areas. Your hands, your cheeks, around your mouth, even your heels if they're cracked. This technique is called slugging, and while it's become trendy recently, it's something dermatologists have recommended for decades. Now, if your hands are extremely dry or cracked, here's a simple but powerful trick. Before bed, apply a thick layer of moisturizer, then seal it with petroleum jelly, and put on a pair of cotton gloves. This creates a mini occlusive environment that allows your skin to repair itself overnight. You'll wake up and feel the difference. Let's talk about why your skin might be getting this dry in the first place. Weather plays a huge role. Cold air holds less moisture, which means it pulls hydration out of your skin. Indoor heating systems make it even worse by drying out the air around you. But environmental factors aren't the only cause. Frequent hand washing, especially with harsh soaps or alcohol-based sanitizers, can strip your skin repeatedly throughout the day. This is one of the biggest reasons we see cracked skin on hands. Certain skin conditions like eczema can also weaken the barrier, making your skin more prone to dryness and cracking. And then there's aging. As we get older, our skin naturally produces fewer lipids. That means the mortar holding your skin barrier together becomes weaker over time. So if you feel like your skin has gotten drier with age, you're not imagining it. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Sometimes what feels like dry skin isn't just dryness, it's inflammation. When your skin barrier is compromised, it triggers a low-level inflammatory response. That's why you might feel burning, stinging, or sensitivity when you apply certain products. If that's happening to you, simplify your routine. Cut out fragrances, acids, retinoids, anything potentially irritating, and focus purely on barrier repair. Gentle cleanser, rich moisturizer, occlusive layer. That's it. Give your skin time to heal. Let's also address exfoliation, because this is where a lot of damage happens. If your skin is cracked or visibly irritated, do not exfoliate. Not physically, not chemically. Exfoliation is only helpful when your skin barrier is intact. When it's damaged, exfoliating just removes the little protection you have left. Wait until your skin feels comfortable again, no stinging, no redness, before reintroducing any exfoliation. And when you do, keep it minimal. Now let's talk about something simple you can add to your routine that makes a huge difference. Humidity. Using a humidifier in your bedroom at night can help restore moisture to the air, reducing how much water your skin loses while you sleep. This is especially helpful if you wake up with tight, dry skin. And don't forget your lips. Your lips don't have oil glands, which makes them especially vulnerable to dryness. If they're cracked, avoid licking them. It actually makes things worse. Apply a thick lip balm or even a small amount of petroleum jelly before bed. Now, I want to address a common mistake I see all the time. People switch products too quickly. They try something for 2 days, don't see immediate results, and move on to something else. But repairing your skin barrier takes time. You might feel some improvement overnight, especially with occlusive therapy, but true healing can take several days to weeks, depending on the severity. Consistency is key. Stick with a simple routine and give your skin the chance to rebuild itself. Let's also talk about your diet for a moment. Your skin barrier relies on essential fatty acids, things like omega-3s. If your diet is lacking in these, your skin may struggle to retain moisture. Foods like fish, nuts, and seeds can support your skin from the inside out. Hydration matters too, but drinking more water alone won't fix dry skin if your barrier is damaged. You need both internal hydration and external protection. Now, here's your simple tonight routine to start fixing cracked, dry skin immediately. First, take a short, lukewarm shower using a gentle cleanser. Second, gently pat your skin dry. Don't rub. Third, within 3 minutes, apply a rich moisturizer containing ceramides or similar barrier repair ingredients. Fourth, seal the driest areas with a thin layer of an occlusive like petroleum jelly. Fifth, if your hands or feet are severely dry, cover them with cotton gloves or socks overnight. That's it. No complicated steps, no expensive treatments, just science-backed care. And if your skin is extremely cracked, bleeding, painful, or not improving, it's important to see a dermatologist. Sometimes prescription treatments are needed to reduce inflammation and help the skin heal. But for most people, these simple steps can make a dramatic difference. Your skin has an incredible ability to repair itself if you give it the right conditions. So tonight, instead of adding more products, focus on doing less, but doing it right. Protect your barrier, lock in moisture, give your skin the chance to heal. And when you wake up tomorrow, pay attention to how your skin feels. Because once you understand how to care for your skin barrier, everything changes. I'll see you next time.